Hey, what's up? How you doing today? I just wanted to share with you this floor jack I've been using. Well, I should say emergency scissor jack I've been using off and on for years. This thing failed on me, and that could have been really dangerous. So maybe I should have known better. But I think most of the time I know I was putting a jack stand next to it. But just like anybody, we get busy sometimes and we forget. But this thing failed on me a week or so ago, and not while it had the car up in the air, thank goodness. It was when it was starting to really push up on the car is when it failed. And I think it's got this round nut here, I think, just stripped out. And if you look, that is a, hold up, that is a half-inch Acme thread screw in there, and you can see that on the right it's all shiny where it's been wearing. And on the left side, it's like it's good as new because that side doesn't do any work. So, anyway, you might want to keep that in mind if you're ever using one of these, that they're not really good for long-term use. That could have been really bad if I'd have had a really bad day at the office if something had happened and the car had come down on me, or even if you just smash a finger or toe or something. That's never a good day. So anyway, it was so handy for me because when I'm out, put it on this piece of wood, I could hang it on a nail from a hole there, and keep it up out of the way, and using it on one side of the car. Then you didn't have to drag your floor jack over to the other side. And of course, I use a 19mm socket and my impact wrench, and but anyway, might want to keep that in mind if you ever use one of these. I don't even know where the thing came from, what car it came out of. Somebody might have been tossing it out, kind of like this one here that came out of a '73 Chevy Corvette. But I may try and de-rustify this sucker and lube it up, grease it up good, and maybe this square nut will be a little tougher than that little round one. So yeah, we'll see. But anyway, obviously a lift would be way better, wouldn't it? Or a pit. Sometimes all you need is a pit. You don't even need to have the car way up in the air. So anyway, I'll give you a quick little demo just to show you and prove that this screw is really stripped out, the screw and the nut. Hold on just a second. But yeah, that could have been a really bad day at the office. Is the sun messing me up this bad? Hold up. Alright, here we go. Where are we? There we are. Yep. Check this out. Get in there. Both ways. Just totally stripped. So yeah, there's a reason why they're just for emergency use. So keep that in mind. Safety first. Even though it is convenient to have another jack around, it might save you a step or whatever. Let's see if my jukebox is playing today. Yeah, Russell the Muscle's favorite band, Judas Priest. This has got to be one of their most chill old songs, and it's an old one, man. The old man sitting there. Epitaph. I'm gonna have to find out what year it is. That almost doesn't sound like Judas Priest, does it? Anyway, take care, be safe, have a good one.